Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Fortnite with my friend.
Whee! Hello guys. I'm just jumping around the map.
Bro, I just healed somebody by accident.
Why?
Got someone? Oh crap. Bro, this is the third party of the third party.
Oh yeah guys. Jaden, let's quickly queue into a private match.
Why?
So we can test out all the new exotics
Okay.
and mythics.
Okay, who's gonna do the mythics?
Yeah, you're gonna do the exotics and I'm gonna do all the new mythics.
Okay, nice. Not
You
like
just have to
not like
let
the
them-
battle, not like we have the full battle pass already.
not like we already have the full battle pass.
Yeah.
The Midas
Skin.
Hoe het 'n Claudia OG pass uitgemax? Not like we have 100% battle pass, 100% outlawed Midas rewards, 40% bonus rewards. It's not like we have all that. Me maxed out OG pass. So yeah. Hoe kom speel ek reload solos? O ja, ek vergeet ek het ingequeue in bot lobbies. Okay. Jaden, by the way, Jaden.
Yes.
Remember to join me.
Already did that. This video is already 2 minutes long.
Damn. Jaden.
Yeah, yes.
I need the Mystic Midas drum gun.
That's the only mythic that's not in this game.
So I'm just gonna use the normal Jules drum gun.
No.
Fine. Is daar regtig net 3 nuwe mythics?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you pick them up and show me?
I can only not have one, but I'll do that one later in the video. Let's go. Let's go down.
Yeah, let's go test them. Oh wait, I just quickly want to go grab myself a whip.
My whip is already gone.
Okay. So first we're gonna test the new Mammoth Pistol Body Shot. Okay, 102 damage. Heal yourself real quick.
Okay.
Not full HP.
I'm not full HP. I have to wait a couple seconds. I'm 98. Wait. In 8 seconds, you can test the headshot. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there. Test the headshot.
Now we do the headshot Mammoth Pistol testing. 179. Okay, so together that will be 200. So that is gonna be one shot if he didn't heal.
Yeah,
So
I was on 22 HP after the headshot. And with the body shot, I was already on HP. I have to
So
heal.
I'm quickly gonna get a car and heals.
So now they know the slap cannon, how that works. So now I
Yeah.
can get the other. Now I can get the other exotic. Wait, what exotic that I didn't get again? Oh yeah, rocket launcher. Okay, I'm going down.
I'm quickly getting myself a car.
Don't you need don't you have to test the other mythics out?
Yeah, that's why I come with a car. Next mythic is the Collider enhanced.
Wait,
Collider
I'm gonna get heals real quick. I don't have heals. Ouch! I'm trying to get heals. I'm going to get heals so that I don't get oofed.
I'm driving around with my car.
I'm here. Test how much damage it does.
So we have the enhanced collateral damage assault rifle. Body shot 20. Headshot. Is he full HP?
Yes.
30. So it's not that big of a deal. Now we do the minigun.
The Brutus minigun was already in the game, my bro. We're testing the new.
Dankie. Ek pop 'n truck jug wat vir ewig vat. Waar's my kar?
Gedelete.
Jeez. Hou op.
That's the reason I have this gun.
Okay, now that we take control of that.
This video is 7 minutes long, my brother.
Now we can test all the exotics.
Okay. Do you have heals? Heals can be any.
Yeah, I have 2 truck jugs. Wait. Quickly going to get some heals.
Okay.
No, Jaden. Nee, Jaden. Okay, that's fair.
I just sent you back to the lobby. Okay, I'm gonna reload the first gun.
Yeah. My phone with my.
Okay.